on the first series of my Naija Christmas Table. This recipe is taking me back memory lane, honestly. So guys, today I am making a whole grilled chicken that can definitely feature in your Christmas table. So guys, let's get cooking. Before starting my recipe, I usually like to measure out all my ingredients and make sure they are good to go. So first we're going to mix the dry rub, some ginger powder, garlic powder, salt, seasoning, curry, thyme, and paprika. So you want to mix that up nicely. Make sure it's well incorporated here. Then we're going to set that aside. For our chicken, we're going to pat dry with a kitchen towel. I try as much as possible to pat dry on every side. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of oil on the chicken and try to apply it. You can use your hand, you can use a brush, whatever you have at hand is fine. Make sure you try to apply it on all parts of the chicken. If you're new here guys, please take a minute to click the subscribe button right below this video, and do not forget to turn on your notification so you get notified whenever we have a new video up on this channel. So now we start applying the dry rub to the chicken. This is the tricky part guys. I try as much as possible to apply my dry rub to every part of the chicken I am able to, okay? So I apply it everywhere. I make sure the chicken is well coated. It's super important to make sure that your chicken is flavorful. You need to do this process. I'm going to be showing you a few parts where I just apply it into, because I want to get the best out of this chicken. So you wanna also do that. That would help to get the best tasting whole grilled chicken you have ever made, guys. So guys, flip it to the other side and also repeat the process to the other side. You notice that I also applied the dry rub on the neck area, the down part of the chicken also. So just try as much as possible to get the dry rub into your chicken as much as possible. You will see the actual results when you're done. Like, yeah, it's gonna blow your mind. So yeah, you want to do that. After this, I am going to place it into the refrigerator to marinate for a while. Yeah, so after applying your dry rub, you can place it into your refrigerator while you are preparing your vegetables. So the last thing I'm going to be doing before doing that is to tie up the legs with some kitchen twine, after which I'm going to place this beautiful looking chicken in my refrigerator. Just because your dry rub can never be too much on your chicken, I'm adding a little bit extra on this chicken for good measures. So while my chicken is in the refrigerator marinating, I'm going to prep all my veggies: onions, garlic, carrots, lemons. I'm going to slice them up into chunks, and yeah, I'm going to place them in the baking tray. This is the same baking tray I'm going to be using to bake my chicken. So the idea is to get the drippings, those yumminess from the chicken, get to drop on these veggies and get them nice, soft, and super flavorful. You are absolutely going to love this. These veggies can be a side. Yeah, you can serve it as a side to your chicken. It is super flavorful. You would absolutely love it. It is totally optional, right? If you want, you can use veggies. If you want, you can just place a rack on your baking tray so the drippings get down, and yeah, that will be it. But I love to add veggies to it because a little extra to munch on and everything. Yeah. So I am now going to stuff my chicken. So this also enables to get super amazing flavor into the in-depth part of the chicken. It is super important. So while we have worked on the outer part of the chicken, now I'm going to focus on the inner part by stuffing it with lemon, garlic, and cilantro. So after stuffing, now you want to transfer this beautiful looking chicken into your baking tray. It's totally ready to go into the oven. I usually love to tuck in the wings of the chicken. Yeah, it helps it to look a bit more presentable. I just love the way it looks when it's tucked in, so I'm going to tuck that in. Then I am going to place this beauty in the oven. So guys, after your chicken is baked, you want to first of all switch off your oven and leave the chicken in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes before bringing it out to serve. Okay, so I'm just going to place this on my plate, and I would be adding all the roasted veggies that went into the baking tray along with the chicken. After which I am going to garnish this with some parsley leaves. Yeah, just put it here and there to make it look pretty. And there you have it, guys, your all grilled chicken. So guys, if you get to recreate this, please tag me at Dish So Sweet. I'll see you next time.